Hello girls! Let's continue our lesson Mathematics Year 1 with the subtopic of subtraction of money, and you're going to do this lesson with me, your teacher, and my name is Amirah. I would like to say welcome to all of you to this class. I need you to be ready. Please set up your study space. Be ready and turn to page 24 and 25 of Mathematics Activity Book Part 2. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to do subtraction of money. You should be able to do subtraction of money. Before we begin, let's do some quick quiz. You're going to look at the question, count the question to get the answer. Look at the question. 9 minus 3. Let's check the answer. Congratulations if you get the answer correctly. The answer is 6. Well done. Next question. 7 minus 7. Let's check the answer. The answer is 0. Well done if you get it correctly. Next question. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. Let's check the answer. The answer is 6. Well done. Next question. 16 minus 7. Count the answer. Let's check the answer. It's 9. 9. And finally, question number 5. 18 minus 5. 18 minus 5. Let's check the answer. The answer is 13. 13. Well done if you get all 5 questions correctly. Now, before we go to our topic for today, I would like to do some recap about our previous lesson. We're going to do a recap about the abacus. Again, look at this one. From the picture, got small arrow shows that the beads from the bottom is move up to the middle. Move up to the middle. One beads move up to the middle. So, this represent value of 1. As I show you number 1 on the top there, one bit from the bottom, when it brings up to the middle, it will have the value of 1. Now, from left, we move to the right. Left, move to the right. We have no bits in the middle. So, this indicates the value of the place value is 0. 0. Now, we have 1 and 0. 1 and 0 is equal to 10. 10. In this case, for money, 10 is actually 10 cents. If you get 100, 100 cents means that indicates 1 ringgit. In this picture, we have 1 and 0. So it's 10, 10 cents. So we move to the next picture. This picture shows that got 2 arrow from the top and another one from the bottom. From here we can see 1 bit from the top is bring down to the middle. The bit from the top has the value of 5 when it bring to the middle? From the bottom, 2 bits bring up to the middle. 2 more bits bring up to the middle. So we have here 2 bits, 5 and 2. 5 and 2 means that 7. 5 and 2 means 7. So in this picture, it means that 7 bits are being plus to the abacus. Bermaksud dekat sini, gambar ni dia bawa, dia tambah dengan 7. 7 apa? 7 and 0. 7 and 0. So 70 means it plus with 70. This one is for the second picture. You can refer to your Mathematics Activity Book Part 2, page 22 for this one. This is the second picture. The second picture means you plus with 7, not plus with 8. It plus 7. It meaning that 5 from the bit from the top that has the value of 5 is bring down, and 2 more bits from the bottom is bring up. Okay, so 5 and 2 means 7 plus 7, and finally we will get the final answer as shown here from the third picture. We have 8. 8 and 0. 8 and 0 for money. 8 is 80 cents, right? So this is the equation I show here. The first one is 10 cent plus with 70 cent. Not plus with 80, it plus with 70 cent. And we get the final answer 80 cent. Now this one, how we do the vertical form to get the answer. We write number 10 on the top, number 70 in the middle, and the answer at the bottom. And we draw the lines. And don't forget to write cent because this one is addition of money. And 80 cent can be also represented in coins as shown here. One piece of 50 cent, one piece of 20 cent, and one piece of 10 cent. 80 cent can also be represented using 4 pieces of 20 cent. 4 pieces of 20 cent. Alright. Now, let's look at the questions together. Okay, now we're going to learn about the topic for today. Okay, we're done with the recap. Our previous recap is about addition of money. So for today's topic is about subtraction. Alright? Subtract. Subtract means subtraction. Okay. We're going to look at how we're going to do subtraction of money. Okay. Now, first, look at the coins. We have 20. And then add one more 10 cent. So 20, 10 is 30, 35. 35 cent in coins. We have 35 cent here. So that 5 cent coin is being cancelled. We cancel the 5 cent coin. This means we minus 5 cent. So what should we do? This means we need to do subtract. What is subtract? Subtract means subtraction. Okay. The long name is subtraction. The short name subtract. Or we can also call it minus. Now, just now we have 35 cent and then we cancel with 5 cent. So we need to write the first value first. Okay, the first value is 35 cent. So we write 35 cent minus. And then the next number to be written is number 5. Number 5. Because we cancel 5 cent. So it means 35 cent minus 5 cent. Then we draw the lines to separate place value ones and place value tens. So now we start counting. We start counting starting from place value 1. So 5 minus 5, what do you think? What is the answer? This one is very easy. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So when we already get the answer for place value 1, then only we go to place value 10. So place value 10, only number 3 minus and nothing at the bottom of number 3, we have no numbers. So we just bring number 3 to the answer section. Means that the answer is 3 because we no need to do any subtraction there. So now we have the answer 30. 3 and 0 means 30. And don't forget to write sen. S-E-N, sen. Again here I show you 30 cent in coins. This is how 30 cent look like in coin. We can have one piece of 20 and one piece of 10 cent, or we can have three pieces of 10 cent. This is also 30 cent. Now let's look at this one. Okay, this word is being read as difference. Difference. In Malay, perbezaan. Maksud dia perbezaan. Different can also brings the meaning of subtraction. Difference. Okay. Now look at the picture here. We have the picture of a doll and picture of a car. Toy. Car, toy, and doll, the toy doll. So the doll price is 10 ringgit. RM10. RM10. And the car price is RM7. Now we need to find the difference between both of the price. Kita nak cari beza. Apa beza harga kedua-dua barang ni? What is the difference? So when it comes to the word difference, means that we need to do subtraction. So we take the bigger number. The bigger number is number 10. So we write number 10 first. 10 RM10. RM10 minus RM7 because we want to find the difference between the price of the doll and the price of the car. The doll price is 10 ringgit and the car price is 7 ringgit. So RM10 minus RM7. Number 7 should be written in place value ones. Place value ones means at the bottom of number 0. Okay? Don't write number 7 under number 1. Be careful. You need to be careful. Okay, RM in the same line. So now here, we draw the lines. We draw the lines to separate between place value ones and place value tens. So now we start we start looking at place value ones. Kita tengok dekat place value 1 dulu. Okay. So 0 minus 7, is it enough? Not enough. 0 minus 7, not enough. So we have to cancel not 0. We cancel 0 and we do like this. Okay. So we cancel 0, it becomes 10, and the number at place value 10, that is number 1. Number 1 already give the 1 number to the place value 1. So number 1 at place value 10 now becomes 0. So simple for you to remember, you just cancel 0 become 10 and number 1 less become 0. Okay, just like shown here. It's a normal subtraction. We just do the normal subtraction here. Next, now we start counting place value ones. 10 minus 7. The new number 10 minus with 7. 10 minus 7, you will get the answer 3. Number 10 at your mouth number 7 at your fingers and we do count back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We get the answer 3. Now, when we're done with place value ones, we go to place value tens. Now, at the place value tens, number 1 is already cancelled, become 0. So, this means you no need to write anything at the answer section. Dekat jawapan bahagian rumah tens, tak payah tulis apa-apa. Because number 1 is already cancelled, become 0. Nombor 1 dah cancel jadi 0. Jadi tak payah tulis apa-apa. We no need to write anything in the answer section for place value 10. Okay. So now we have the answer 3 and don't forget to write RM. It is very important because we do subtraction of money. Now I'm going to show you how RM3 being represent in notes. Macam mana RM3 dalam bentuk duit. This is how RM3 in notes, 3 pieces of 1 ringgit. And RM3 can be also be spelled like this, 3 ringgit. Alright? Alright. When you do subtraction of money, you will also see the word balance. Find the balance. Okay. Balance sometimes will also require you to do subtraction. Bila jumpa perkataan balance, maksudnya kadang kita kena buat subtraction. Kena buat tolak. Alright? So that's all for today. You can always rewind this video for your understanding. For today's main task, you need to do all questions on page 24 and 25 of Mathematics Activity Book Part 2. Please submit this task by 5 p.m. today. Bring your pencil now. Circle page 24 and 25 for your main task. Circle page 24 and 25. For additional tasks, you need to do all questions on page 26. Additional tasks, you need to do page 26. Circle page 26. This task can be submitted after 5 p.m. Reminder, always do your mathematic counting in vertical form and do all technique needed when you do your counting. Good luck! That's all for today. Thank you for joining today's class. You may refer to your Google Classroom for further instructions. Thank you.